guys, and welcome to Monteys Style. Today we are doing taste, and we're doing a Mediterranean pasta salad. Let's get the cooking. Got the noodles all ready. So you're going to cook your pasta for 8 minutes, and then after they are done, you're going to mix your ingredients, which is right here. So the first thing we're going to do is add our seasoning, which is Italian seasoning, and crushed hot pepper and 4 tablespoons of extra olive oil. And then we're going to mix that in. And then we're going to use our Greek creamy salad dressing, and we're going to take our cheese, peppers, and meat, and no onions this time, and mix that into the bowl. And as we mix that into the bowl, we're going to add our black olives. As we add our black olives, we're going to mix that, and then our whole cherry tomatoes. As you add your whole cherry tomatoes, mix that all in nice and great. Mix it great. Get all the seasonings in, and now you're done. And all you have to do is take a look at this and eat. This is so good. Hey, now smile now. This is Monteys Style saying what? This is taste. Mediterranean.